Hello everyone, it's Julie Dietrich, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I'm at National Conference in Oklahoma, and we're having a great time. And they have this great station to teach you a little bit about the power behind PowerZyme. This laundry detergent is so packed with enzymes that break down the stain naturally, unlike the store brand. So let me explain a little bit about what all these frames are and different swabs of little cotton material are. So first of all, we do here at Norwex third-party testing. Well, what does that mean? That means we test it against 3 other brands and see the results. And so they had a bunch of different things that are the control, blood, for instance, grape juice, tea, wine, coffee, grass stains, all kinds of stains. That's the ones you can see at the top. And then as you get lower, it's showing you the different brands. So this brand number 1, is the leading powder brand in the department stores. So a lot of you probably buy this. Then we have the leading brand for the natural, a little bit more natural detergent. And they actually come in a pod. And then we have the number 2 brand that most people get out of the department store. Okay? And then the top one is the PowerZyme. So check out over here, maybe you can get a little closer, I'm not sure, but here is the blueberry. You can really see how dark the blueberry, that was untreated, the little cotton swab. And then this is the PowerZyme. This is the number 1 leading brand. This is the number 2 natural brand. And then number 3, the second leading brand. So you can definitely see how the PowerZyme did a lot better. And these are not pre-treated with any kind of pre-treat. It's just the detergent. Then check this one out, the grass stain. Would be regular grass stain. And then we have the PowerZyme, and then the other brands. Look how much better the PowerZyme did, right? So then we have like makeup, there's all different kinds of things. So it compares these brands with the PowerZyme, and you'll actually save money with this because you're only going to use 1 to 2 teaspoons depending on the water type you have and the type of machine. So you'll actually save money. This one will actually last an average family 5 to 6 months. This bag, it'll do 100 or more loads. So it's just amazing, packed with enzymes, and it naturally breaks things down. So the other thing is we've got some marmalade here, preserves, and in here, this is the just water and the marmalade, and then this is the marmalade, water, and some of the PowerZyme. And you can see how the PowerZyme already is breaking down some of the marmalade, like natural seeds and everything. And the person from Norwex said that this immediately turned black, where it was the enzymes were immediately breaking things down, and then it's going to turn like a yellow, and then in about 3 hours, she says it's going to get clearer and clearer, and by tomorrow it'll be all the way clear. So that's just showing you the power of enzymes, where this one, it's not going to break down at all because it doesn't have anything. So that's just a little bit about the PowerZyme and how powerful it is. So you've got to give it a try. Contact me and I can give you a sample. Thanks for listening.